an out-of-state waste inspection program, funding to boards of health or other law enforcement agencies for anti-littering laws and ordinances, funding to boards of health to pay for certain training and certification programs, funding to municipal corporations or townships maintaining roads, other public facilities, and emergency services due to the location of composting, resource recovery, incineration, and recycling facilities, paying expenses agreed to or awarded to communities that are affected by the siting of a publicly owned landfill or modification to the facility. Section 7 is reserved for the district to present its current rules and any proposed rules. Rules are specific to each district and are created by the Board of Directors or Board of Trustees. Rules can be used to support district programs or facilities. Rulemaking authority for districts is included in ORC 343.01. Once the district has prepared a draft version of the plan, the district submits the plan to Ohio EPA for review. Ohio EPA, upon receipt of the plan, prepares a non-binding advisory opinion during a 45-day review period. The Ohio EPA submits the non-binding advisory opinion to the district, and the plan is revised as necessary. The district then offers the plan to the public for their review during a 30-day public comment period, followed by a public hearing. After the public review process, the district can revise the plan as necessary.
Once the plan has gone through the public process and all revisions have been made, the District Policy Committee or Authority Board of Trustees adopts the draft plan. Once the plan is adopted by the Policy Committee, the district sends the plan to every political subdivision within the district for review and approval or ratification. During this ratification process, the largest municipality and the county commissioners in each county of the district must approve the plan. In addition, cities, villages, and townships representing at least 60% of the population of each county in the district must also approve the plan. If the district has a generation fee above $5 per ton, then the population requirement for ratification is 75%. For districts that have multiple counties of 4 or more, the ratification requirements are simple majority. Once the plan is ratified by the appropriate amount of communities, then the District Policy Committee or Authority Board of Trustees certifies the ratification results. The plan is then submitted to Ohio EPA for their final review over a 90-day period. During this period, Ohio EPA makes sure the plan still meets the requirements of the state plan and that all demonstrations have been achieved. Once this has been determined, the director will approve the plan through the director's findings and orders. If the director of Ohio EPA does not approve the plan, the district has 90 days to revise the plan, re-ratify, and resubmit the plan to Ohio EPA. The district can request a one-time 60-day extension if needed. If the district is unable to obtain an approved plan by the director of Ohio EPA by the prescribed due date, the director must prepare a plan for the district, order the district to implement the plan, and recover the costs of preparing the plan from the district. Under a typical Ohio EPA written plan, the agency will initiate plan development process, meet with district board, policy committee, and staff to outline plan development process, requests for district information that includes baseline waste generation and recycling data, survey data of industries, haulers, and recyclers, master copy of district plan. Under a typical Ohio EPA written plan, the agency will provide for additional data collection as necessary, data collection sometimes contracted to consultant, new program development as necessary, meetings with district staff, local governments, etc. Ohio EPA specifies programs that must be implemented but does not specify funding mechanisms. Under a typical Ohio EPA written plan, the agency will establish 30-day public comment period, hold a public hearing to present the plan and obtain public comment, revise the plan based upon public comment. issue directors' findings and orders ordering district implementation of the plan. The district implements the plan as ordered, and Ohio EPA monitors plan implementation with enforcement oversight. Quarterly submission of proposed budgets to Ohio EPA for approval while under Ohio EPA plan. The district may submit a plan for approval at the 3-year update. Under an Ohio EPA written plan, there is a strict monitoring process that is followed, including the Policy Committee reports annually to the Board of County Commissioners or Directors. District reports annually to Ohio EPA.